What's up, everyone? So we are in profit, and I just want to break down this trade that I've been calling out since Wednesday of this week. Let's get into it. So, as you may know, as early as Wednesday of this week, I've been calling out a trade on the US dollar and Japanese yen pair, where I was talking about how price price would have touched down over here at this fair value gap that we marked out on the 1 hour chart. There's a fair value gap here, which is an order block with a whole bunch of buy orders that I assumed or pretty much was aware of. And that's exactly what it did. So price would have touched down over the way over here, absorbed a whole bunch of buy orders, and then shot straight up. Whereas you would have had a buy order as well sitting over here. It would have hit your buy order, your trade would have opened, it would have, have a little bit of drawdown, and then we would have shot straight up in profit. So let's take a look. And that's exactly what it did over here. As early as London session, we are in Eastern Standard Time at 8:30 a.m. Our trade would have opened. We did have some drawdown, but we, as you can see, not by much. I mean, we had a whole bunch of, buy orders that got hit, and it was fairly quick. I mean, price shot all the way down. A new candle opened within 5 minutes, and then we just got right back up. We recovered very, very quickly. So this would have been a pretty good, significant fair value gap here, where price touched, our buy order opened, and we shot straight up into profit. And like I said, as early as this Wednesday, I've been talking about how price was most likely to hit right there, shoot straight up. Let's check our fundamentals. So 8:30 a.m. today, US dollar news. Average hourly earnings negative, non-farm employment change was negative, and that's really what did it at 8:30. As early as London session, hit our buy order, opened our trade, and then shot straight up into profit. So, depending on your risk management, you would have been up a pretty good amount already before market closed. I mean, you probably would have taken profit, to be honest, because our buy would have opened over here. We would have set our stop loss right around this level, which I already marked. Right over here, our lower swing. Thankfully, it didn't hit near there. You probably would have closed the trade, however much in profit you would have been, because it is Friday. Market does close at 5 p.m. So you don't want to really sit in over the weekend because anything can happen. But anyway, I want to say this is a pretty successful call out or analysis. And that's pretty much all I have. Hopefully you learned something. See y'all next week.